about it, but we're starting off with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and the first order is taking us across the river already. I'm just hoping that it's early enough to where there's no traffic at all. It's Jack in the Box going about 9 miles. And like I said, it is going across the river, so pretty much double that. Thank you. Why is this a hint to customer? Like, go to sleep, my guy. Were you waiting on food by any chance?
What's it?
Were you waiting on food by any chance? No? Okay.
Hello, this is Abel. I will call back as soon as possible.
Abel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh, there you are. There you go.
Appreciate it.
Yep, have a good one. Okay. I'm gonna lose it. Anyways, that was $12 and change. Is that worth it? Not really. Okay, that was annoying for many reasons. First of all, it's an Amazon warehouse, so there's tons of people just walking around. How am I supposed to know who that's for? I messaged them like 5 minutes before I actually got into the parking lot to give them time to come out. No response. So I start looking around for somebody who it might be. No luck. Tried calling them. Didn't pick up. I messaged them again, asking where we can meet up. They finally messaged me back saying, I'm at the front wearing red. Where are you? I circled back around the parking lot. Nobody wearing red. Pulled up to someone just standing there looking at their phone. Turns out it's them. Wearing white. Like, make my life easier, man. Anyways, we got the next order. This is going to be Subway going 7 miles. Another high mileage order. Loving that. Thank you. Only one sandwich. Probably a no tip. Well, I called it, didn't I? Total for that order was $4 and change. And we got the next order right away. This one is heading back across the river again. Hopefully it's still early enough to where there's no traffic. This is a stack going to the same person. We've got Donut Nook and Black Rock Coffee. This one is going 9 miles.
They didn't get anything.
Thank you.
Thank you. And
This is drive-through only.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That took forever. Total for that was $20. Okay, that was worth it, but also please stop making me come back down here. Why did they have to give me an order that is too good to pass up? I was trying to go back home. Well, to my zone. But they gave me this shop and deliver for Safeway, I think. This is $16 going 6 miles, only 3 items. I guess that's how you know you're in Portland. I don't know what you would call that aisle. That has like all the shampoo and like laundry stuff. That specific aisle has its own register so you don't steal. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie The Mist, but this is what it looks like right now. Anyways, next order up is a Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Total for that order was just under $5. Not really amazing, but it didn't take too long. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
you're looking for this?
I don't know if that was with that order or not. I'm not sure.
Was that
down when I told her both days.
Oh, really?
Yep. I told her
She just
both
didn't pay
days.
attention?
Total for that one was $7. Okay, that was a good order. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Hello. Thank you. Total for that order was $5. I feel like these apps are trying to tell me something. All the good high-paying orders were across the river, and I'm pretty sure everything that I've done up here in my normal area has been like $6 and a no tip. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going to be going 5 miles. Total for that order was $6. Just got the next order. This is going to be Angels. This one's going just under 6 miles.
And free drinks. Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, that was a good order. Total for that was $11. Thank you very much. And next order is a Seize the Bagel going 8.5 miles. Thank you. Cringe. Total for that was $7. We got the next order right away. This is Taco Bell going 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $4, also cringe. And we're heading right back to Taco Bell. This one's going 4 miles.
DoorDash for Lillian?
Thank you. Not sure who was more excited for the food there, customer or the dogs. Total for that was $13. Oh wow, really good order. I am really far away from home. I'm also running out of gas, so I'm gonna start heading home. So if I don't get an order by then, I'm just gonna call it. Current time is 9:52. Total, we are at, I think that's 113, 114. Definitely went crazy on the mileage today. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.